Hello friends, in this problem a triangle has been given and this triangle is ABC. On side BC there is a point D and this point is connected to vertex A. Various angles are given. This angle is 63 degree, this angle is 54 degree and this angle is theta, which is unknown. And it is also given that side AC is equal to side BD. Now we have to find the value of theta. So I will solve this problem by using some construction and follow the angle changing principle. So let us solve this problem. So first I have done a construction. So from point D, draw a line such that it meets side AB on point E. Now this point E is chosen such that angle DEA is equals to 63 degree. So this means angle AED, or you can say DEA, this angle is 63 degree. So this is the construction that we have done, that is angle DEA, and this is equals to 63 degree. Now what is this angle? Now if we consider triangle AED, in this triangle sum of angles is equals to 180 degree. This angle is 63 degree, this angle is 63 degree. This means this angle is 180 minus 63 minus 63. And this is equals to 54 degree. So this angle is 54 degree. Now what about this angle? That is angle ADB. First we will calculate angle ADB and then we will calculate this angle. So what will be angle ADB? This angle will be sum of this plus this, because if you consider this triangle, that is ADC, for this triangle this is an exterior angle. So BDA, this angle is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angle, that is 54 plus theta. So this angle, that is ADB, this angle is 54 plus theta. Now this is already 54, this means this angle is equal to theta. So now I know angle EDB, this is equals to theta. Now we can consider two triangles. The first is CAD, that is this triangle, and BDE, that is this triangle. Now if you consider these two triangles, the first thing is CA is equals to BD. So this length, that is BD, is equals to CA, this length. This is given in the problem. Now this angle is theta and this angle is also theta. So angle EDE is equals to angle DAC, or you can say CAD. So these two angles are equal. And this side, that is AD, is equals to DE. Why? This is because if you consider this triangle, that is EAD, the base angle are equal. This is 63 degree, this is 63 degree. This means this triangle is a isosceles triangle. This means this side, that is AD, is equals to side ED. So we can say AD is equals to ED, or you can say DE, both are same thing. So AD is equals to DE. So these two triangles are congruent from side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So from side angle side theorem, these two triangles are congruent. Now angle ACD, this angle is 54 degree. This means angle DBE is also equal to 54 degree because these two triangles are congruent. So this angle is 54 degree. Now we can say angle AED, this angle. This angle is basically external angle for this triangle, that is triangle EBD. For triangle EBD, this angle is external angle, and external angle is sum of internal angles, opposite internal angles. That is 54 degree plus theta is equals to 63 degree. So now we can write 63 degree is equals to 54 degree plus theta. So from here I can get theta is equals to 9 degree. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you like these problems, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.